If you're new to our channel, please remember to like and subscribe. We work very hard to create this content for you. Sharing another video for Father's Day ideas for 2022. We did a great barbecue and made an amazing cake. So there'll be a separate video about the cake as well. Right now we're doing some drinks and then we're going to do a barbecue and enjoy the cake cutting as well. So thanks for watching and enjoy the video. And remember, like and subscribe. We have this beautiful latte. We're going to have this latte here. And then we have cookies as well. Oh, check out the matka style. Shan, there's like a matka style thing that we have here. And then what does it say? Yummy up? No. Tummy up?
Not tummy. What?
What does it say? Bottoms up. Bottoms up, yes. Latte time. Ooh.
That's mine.
Ooh, yeah. Oh, this is beautiful.
Is it good?
Mmm. Oh, it's very good. Very nice. I rate this 10 out of 10.
Okay.
Canadian with a twist rating 10 out of 10.
Ooh, that's so good. Oh my god. It's so good.
Okay. Alright, so enjoy.
So, right now,
Awesome tea time.
yeah, it was so good. The drinks were so good, and the brunch was really good. So now we're at our local food basics to get some, do some errands. As we told you guys, we needed to do some errands. We're gonna be getting a few sauces because we ran out of mayonnaise and ketchup. So we're just gonna be going to our food basics to get our ketchup and mayonnaise. So.
Okay. Let's just grab mayonnaise as well.
Start the barbecue now because we just did tea time. So yeah.
I'm trying to get these beef things out. Maybe I should have used a knife. Come on, Father's Day. Yeah! Father's Day! Whoop, whoop, whoop.
How do you think the burgers are gonna turn out?
I think they're gonna turn out awesome. Oh, I refuse to give up.
Let me see. Oh, those look yummy. So I'm gonna show you guys, the viewers, when you get the fire and smokes ready.
Oh, you can smell it. I already on it.
Yeah, I told the viewers that. Okay.
It's getting hot, hot, hot. Oh yeah.
Shake that booty, girl. Shake that booty. Shake that booty. Shake that booty. Shake that booty. I'm giving that to him as a gift. Daddy!
So guys, these are Christian Italian buns. Italian. Hey, mamma mia burger. We eat about pasta and the burger. I'm doing some work, okay?
Oh, why are you wearing that in my face? Stop. Cut it. I said cut it. Just cut it. Cut it.
Sean, are you afraid of ketchup?
No, I just don't like it.
He's afraid. And where'd that egg come from? A chicken. Where'd that egg come from? But where did that chicken come from?
That was hot.
Okay guys, so now my patty is done. There it is. So we got some celery. I just added it because I forgot. Tomatoes, a lot of ketchup, and some sweet bell pepper, the red and the yellow. And oh yeah, cucumber slices. And yeah, I think that's all. Oh, and also the sauteed mushrooms. Okay,
Can you pass me that knife from over there? Yours, Sean? Okay. Okay, small bites. Can I do the knife from over there? Oh, thanks.
Burger here. So what I've done is I've actually put a little bit of herbs and spices. I put what is it? Cumin seeds,
And
basil, okay, and oregano as well. And then let's put this like this here. And then just to try it out, I'm gonna put a little bit of these chips here on top of it and see how it tastes.
Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome. Whoa, the ultimate burger, yo. All right, then we have to have our greens. Oh, look at that, the freshness of it. Here, do it again. You ready? Watch this, ready? Oof, that's nice. All right, put this here. Put that here.
That's
A lot. Oh, okay.
Must have flip it.
Now I gotta. Now the challenge is I have to flip it because I made it upside down. Okay. Here, just capture it like this before I flip it. Okay, guys. Here we go. Time to flip it. 1, 2, 3. Boom!
Bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it.
Right, okay. Okay, here we go. Here we go.
3,
Here
2,
we go.
1, go! 3,
Okay.
2, 1, go.
Mmm. 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 Oh. Mmm. Well, the chips is actually tastes really good. Mmm. For he's a jolly good fellow. For he's a jolly good fellow. For he's a jolly good fellow that nobody can deny.
Happy Father's
Happy
Day!
Father's Day! Best Father's Day ever!
It's so yummy.
I was about to say, are you one or YouTuber's Tom's birthday?
It's so good.
I want a blueberry.
No, I wouldn't be a father without your mother, so I have to give her a bite. No, a bite to your mother. It's really good. It's very tasty.